So why does your back pain keep coming back? Well, there's really one main answer, and that's because you have tight muscles. Now, why are your muscles tight? It's because when we sit in a prolonged position or lie down, such as sleeping in a prolonged position, our muscle fibers tighten up. And that tightness then causes discomfort. So what I'd like to do today is give you 3 exercises that will reduce that tightness, thus preventing low back pain. You want to lie on your stomach. And once you're on your stomach, you want to put your hands by your side, keep your lower body on the ground, and perform a press up. This press up stretches the low back and brings you into a more extended position. The reason why this is so important is because most of the time throughout the day, we're either sitting for prolonged periods of time or bending forward, performing a back flexion. So we want to do the reverse and do the extension. Do this for 3 sets of 10. Next, you want to lie onto your back, bend your knees, get into a hook lying position, and then perform a bridge. You do this by tightening your core muscles and then lifting your bottom off the ground. This, again, stretches the low back flexors, and it also strengthens and stabilizes the low back muscles. Perform this 3 sets of 10. Last exercise, you want to stay in that hook lying position, bring your knees together, and then rotate your knees side to side slowly. This is stretching the low back rotation muscles. You want to do this for 3 sets of 10 as well. After performing these exercises, you would have stretched and stabilized your low back to reduce discomfort throughout the day. Try this for 1 week and let me know if it helped. If you'd like my free back pain reset guide, then click the link in the description below, as well as in the comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, like and subscribe for more future Ask Dr. L videos.